Hi, sir. I can't tell you how excited I am. This is my first session with you, and you are basically the expert when it comes to neurosurgical anatomy, helping trainees actually see how anatomy connects to surgery and clinical work, helping them connect structure to practice and decision making, not just memorizing Latin. This is my first experience creating and interacting with this amazing virtual environment.
Welcome aboard. I'm just as excited about creating this educational environment inside Unreal Engine app.
Then let's start right away. A little test. What exactly is the telencephalon?
The two cerebral hemispheres, gray and white matter, and structures like the basal ganglia.
So, are the thalami part of it? Do they belong there too?
Nope. The thalamus belongs to the diencephalon, not telencephalon, with hypo, sub, and epithalamus.
Okay, are there any connections between the two parts of the telencephalon?
Of course, you are actually referring to the three commissures connecting the telencephalon's two hemispheres: the corpus callosum, the anterior commissure, and the hippocampal commissure, which is the fornix.
Got it. Thanks a lot for the clear explanation. Over time, I would like to make our sessions more detailed. My aspiration is to bring the neurosurgical anatomy textbook to life by creating cinematic scenes similar to the animated USMLE clinical scenarios, with the eventual goal of mine of developing these into interactive branching scenarios within a game environment. With you, sir, of course, as the virtual tutor, the trainee can make mistakes and learn from them in a safe space without inflicting harm. I hope you are okay with that idea.
I love it. Turning the textbook into an interactive, tutor-led experience. Convincing and totally doable.
For this project, I need to prepare a set of characters for the drama and create an environment with right props and instruments.
It is good to know that Unreal Engine app has the ability to convert your cinematic scenes into an interactive game environment.
It is such a relief because it will give me more time. During this period, I plan to learn about gaming while continue working on creating film scenes inside the same ecosystem in Unreal Engine or maybe Unity. However, I am concerned about how much time I should dedicate to exploring these applications, especially since I want to develop both my technical and creative skills efficiently.
Don't worry, the time you invest will pay off in the end. After all, it's a significant step in education.